Choosing the perfect hairstyle for your little princess can be both fun and challenging. Cute girls' hairstyles are not only about enhancing their appearance, but also about ensuring comfort and practicality. From simple ponytails to intricate braids, there's a myriad of options to explore. One popular choice is the classic French braid, which not only looks adorable, but also keeps hair neatly in place throughout the day. Adding colorful ribbons or hair accessories can further elevate the look and add a touch of personal style. For a more playful and whimsical vibe, consider experimenting with double buns or pigtails. These hairstyles are not only cute but also incredibly versatile, allowing for various interpretations and creative twists. Additionally, incorporating braids into these styles can add an extra element of charm. Whether it's a casual day at home or a special occasion, double buns or pigtails are sure to make your little one feel like a true princess. If you're looking for something elegant and timeless, consider opting for a ballerina bun or a sleek top knot. These hairstyles exude sophistication while keeping hair neatly out of the way. Adding a sparkly hair accessory or a delicate tiara can instantly transform the look into something fit for royalty. Whether she's attending a wedding or a formal event, a ballerina bun or a sleek top knot is guaranteed to make her feel like the belle of the ball. Ultimately, when choosing cute hairstyles for your little princess, it's essential to consider her preferences, hair type, and comfort. Whether it's a simple ponytail for a day of play or an elaborate braided style for a special occasion, the key is to create a look that makes her feel confident and happy. With a bit of creativity and experimentation, you can find the perfect hairstyle that will make your little one feel like the princess she truly is.